Hello everybody. Today's our theme is methods of teaching in institution of higher learning. So let's continue with our video. Methods of teaching and institution of higher learning. The main purpose of higher education is to deliver information and ideas at a level beyond that which is possible at school. There are two methods of teaching in higher learning. First, student-centric, and the second one, teacher-centric. And there are certain barriers in both methods. As you know, in student-centric method, students should work during the lesson more than the teacher. And what I mean by this, what should the teachers do during the lesson? In this situation, teachers should control the class, and the teachers should control how the students are working, how they're doing their exercises, and how they're doing their work. That's why it is called student-centric center. And students should work, as I mentioned, more than during the lesson. And what about the teacher-centric? In teacher-centric method, as you know, teachers should work more during the lesson than the students. What I mean? It means teachers should explain the rules to the students, and the students should listen to the teacher, and they try to understand new things and new rules, and they should try understand the new thing. That's why it is called a teacher-centric method. And both of them have advantages and disadvantages while the lesson. Let's continue with the next page. So they can be termed as teachers' behavior, the effects of teachers' outlook, students' behavior and the outlook, professors' operations, and other things related to laws and regulation. The best method of teaching is one of which motivates students to learn. TLM. What is TLM? It's teaching and learning methods. HE, as you know, it's higher education. It's very important to teach and learn methods, how to teach the pupils or students during the lesson. And let's introduce with the next table, methods of teaching. Table 1, learning aims of higher education. First, disseminate knowledge. Next one, develop the capability to use ideas and information. And the third one, develop the student's ability to test ideas and evidence. And the next one, develop the student's ability to generate ideas and evidence. And next, facilitate the personal development of students. As you know, it's very important to develop the capability to use ideas and students' ability also. And facilitate, what does it mean? Facilitate, it means to give the opportunity to the learners while the lesson, during the lesson. And in this situation, if teacher give them opportunity during the lesson, they can improve their skills, they can learn easily and effectively during the lesson. And it can help to develop their knowledge. And the last one is develop the capacity of students to plan and manage their own learning. As you know, everybody should know about it that if you want to do something or if you want to learn some new information about the knowledge, you should plan beforehand what you want to do, what are you going to do, and when, and what kind of information you want. to learn. That's why it's very important to plan beforehand. And it will help to learn something effectively. And manage their own learning. What does it mean? Manage time management. It's very one of the important thing, one of the important methods in order to learn, in order to get knowledge. It's very important to manage your time and to control your time while learning. Here, pay attention to this table. There are 10 common teaching methods. First, disseminate knowledge. It includes the following. Pay attention here, watch and read, and you may get more information by reading this. First, lecture. Second, up-to-date textbooks. Next one, reading. Fourth, handouts. Fifth, guest lectures. Next one, use of exercises that require students to find up-to-date knowledge. And seventh, develop skills in using library and other learning resources. As you know, students can go to the library and they can use books and magazines in order to get more information. Next one, directed private study, open learning materials, and the last one, use of the internet. Especially nowadays, when we are working with the model and developing online teaching and learning, it's very important using of the internet. And students also can get more and more information by using internet. Next, develop capability to use ideas and information. First one, case studies, practical work, work experience, projects. Fifth, demonstrations, group working, simulations, example computer based. Next one, workshops and minus, discussion and debate and writing. It's essay writing. Discussion is one of the best methods in teaching and learning, because when the students learn some new information, it will be helpful if they discuss their answers or their questions, if they share their ideas. It will help, and it will be very helpful to improve their knowledge. Essay writing, as you know, they should know also how to write essays, and they can show their ideas by writing essays. Now it's the first part of our video. We will continue with the second part of our video.